Ustedes se van después, ¿no? Pero espérate cuando le dé la cámara ya. Okay. This is my audience. Out of 2.4 million deaths annually in the USA, 440,000 people have died of cancer caused by smoking. Studies said that 87% of people that died with lung cancer had been caused by smoking. There are so many people out there that smoke cartons after cartons, cigarettes after cigarettes daily, without even knowing the consequences that smoking brings. When a person smokes a cigarette and they inhale different chemicals. For example, they inhale nicotine, which is really addictive, and it makes you want to smoke even more. It also contains carbon monoxide, which is a poisonous gas that not even many people know it, because they don't feel it. They just think it's an oxygen. And it also contains tar, which 70% of it stays in your lungs, and you can even do the handkerchief test. You can smoke, but don't inhale, and then just blow it all out in the handkerchief. You will notice that there's going to be a really sticky brown stain on the handkerchief. Some of the damages that smoking may create are it worsens out the blood flow through the person's legs or arms. It increases the risk of the heart disease, and it also creates strokes or heart attacks. It can also affect the reproductive system of a person, especially women. Researchers have said that this year 10,000 women will die of lung cancer, which has shot past breast cancer as the leading cancer death of women. Smoking does not just create lung cancer, but it can also give you esophagus cancer, mouth, lips, bladder, kidneys, stomach, and pancreas, and many others. So many people think, especially teenagers, think that smoking will make you look cool in front of your friends in parties, but it really doesn't. It damages you. It makes you have stinky breath. It makes you have yellow teeth, and it also affects you whenever you're working out. It wears you out even faster, because you can notice that if you ran 5 miles, then after smoking, you can't run as fast as anymore, because you're having trouble breathing. Smokers don't even know that the smoke that you inhale, it causes damages in the airways and small air sacs in the lungs, and it can also give you a long-term lung disease. As you increase the cigarettes you smoke daily, you are at risk of developing a disease called COPD, which is a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. And the person is also at risk of getting strokes. And I'm talking with an experience, because my dad had a heart attack 2 years ago, because he was and he still is a smoker. Y'all don't know the feeling that you get whenever you get a call of your mom telling you, "Oh, your dad had a heart attack. You need to come to the hospital right away." Doctor said he had 99% of his arteries clogged, and they don't even know how he made it alive to the hospital. It was heartbreaking seeing him laying in the hospital bed, strapped with so many cables around his body, and then with so many monitors around him, that was traumatizing. I would not want anybody seeing that. And he was also pale. It was not an image that I wouldn't want anybody to get. Smoking, yes, might be an addiction. It might be harder for people to stop, but it's worth it. You guys want to live. You don't want to have cancer, or y'all don't want to have any other diseases. You don't want to be the old person at the mall carrying a gas tank because they can't breathe, or you don't want to be the person sitting on the hospital bed like my dad was, strapped with so many cables and monitors that were looking out for your heart. And you don't also want to be the lady in the TV that had the hole in their throat or in the trachea because they're not able to breathe with themselves. Even though you're around people that smoke, you are at risk as well. So just let people know to stop smoking if they want to live longer, because y'all don't want to have any other diseases. Okay, stop it.
How long was it?